What's up guys, thank you so much for checking out another video. In today's video we'll be going over the top 4 features of the Apple iPad 2018 in 2 minutes. If you enjoyed the video guys, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also that bell for notification. It definitely helps out the channel. Now let's get started with the top 4 features with feature number 1, and that's support for the Apple Pencil. The Apple iPad 2018 has full support for Apple Pencil, and it's a great peripheral to have support for. It's easy to sync. You just plug it into the charging port of the iPad itself. It syncs up immediately and it gives you the ability to have full navigation over the iPad without touching the screen. You can write things in Notepad or any of the additional note apps that are available for the iPad, and it's extremely accurate. The other feature we're going to cover is the camera. So it's an 8 megapixel camera with no flash, but it does support 1080p video recording and slow-mo up to 120 frames per second. As you can see, the video is really crisp. The photos come out nice and clear, and it actually is a great device for taking photos with if you're into taking photos with your tablet. The photos are going to be crisp, they're going to be clean, they're going to be clear, and the videos are going to come out really nice and actually a great quality for uploading if you're ever thinking about starting a YouTube channel or if you have a YouTube channel currently. The other feature we're going to cover is the Touch ID. Now, I know Apple went away from this with some of its iPhones, but it's still present here on the iPad, and it's still a welcomed, easy security feature. I actually prefer Touch ID to Face ID, so I'm glad to see that it made the jump to the 2018 iPad, at least for now. Touch ID is easy to set up and it works flawlessly just about every time. The last feature we're going to cover is going to be the price. And yes, if you don't believe a price can be a feature, this behemoth of a tablet comes in at $329, and for everything you're getting, it's a fantastic price. So I definitely count that as a feature for the new iPad. Now, if you enjoyed the video guys, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to also hit the bell for notifications. And thank you so much for checking out the video, and until next time, peace out.